In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate HubSpot with Salesforce. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to your HubSpot account. Once you are logged in, click onto this settings or gear icon right here. Now, once you are inside your settings, click onto this search bar and search right here for integrations. Then click onto connected apps. In here, you will be able to see all of the integrations available in your HubSpot. So proceed to click onto the app marketplace. Now click on this search bar and search right here for Salesforce. Once you find Salesforce integration, click onto it. After that, click on this install app. Do take note that you need to have access to your Salesforce account in order to connect this. Once you click on install, you will be redirected to the Salesforce login page, so just proceed to log in to your Salesforce account. After you have logged in, it should now be connected to your HubSpot. You can now configure the sync settings, choose which objects to sync, and customize the integration based on your needs. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more HubSpot integrations, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.